M. Mani Chacko. M. Mani Chacko, born 1955, is the present General Secretary of the Bible Society of India, who was installed on 13 September 2011 at the CSI-St. Mark's Cathedral, Bangalore by the Bible Society of India Trust Association led by its president Navamani Elia Peter, in the presence of a host of clergy, G. Dyvasirvadam, John S. Sadananda, G. D. V. Prasad, Robert R. Cunville, Joseph Thoma, Ignatius Pinto, and others. Studies. Mani Chacko had his initial ministerial formation from 1975 to 1979 at the United Theological College, Bangalore, affiliated to the nation's first university, the Senate of Serampore College University, under the principalship of Joshua Russell Chandran, where he studied a graduate course, Bachelor of Divinity. After a brief pastoral ministry, Chacko returned to the seminary and registered for a postgraduate course, Master of Theology, which he studied from 1981–1983, specializing in Old Testament under Theodore N. Swanson and E. C. John, working out a dissertation entitled The Theological Understanding of the Land in Due. Both the graduate and postgraduate degrees were awarded by the university in successive convocations during the registrarship of D.S. Sacharanjan. Chacko underwent research studies in Old Testament at the King's College London and returned to India in 1990. While at the London University, Chacko studied under the Old Testament scholar Ronald E. Clements and later published his thesis in book form in 2002 with the title Liberation and Service of God. Ecclesiastical career. Chennai. From 1990 onwards, Chacko began to teach Old Testament at the Gurukul Lutheran Theological College, Chennai. At one point of time, Victor Pramasagar also began teaching at the seminary as professor emeritus, thereby increasing the research potential of the seminary. In 2001, Chacko was appointed as principal of the seminary, a post which he held until 2006 when he moved over to the Ecumenical Christian Center, Bangalore, to take up its directorship. Bangalore. Following the change of helm at the Ecumenical Christian Center, Bangalore in 2006, Chacko succeeded M. J. Joseph and served up to 2011 as its director, and then moved out to the Bible Society of India when its General Secretary, B.K. Pramanik, stepped down after his extended superannuation came to an end, resulting in the appointment of